The Rockville RW10CA is a slim, all-in-one powered subwoofer designed for underseat installations and budget builds. At first glance, it seems like an unbeatable deal, a 10-inch sub, built-in amplifier, and compact enclosure for a low price. But once installed, many users quickly realize that the performance doesn't match the promise. Here are 5 shocking reasons why the RW10CA may not be worth your money. First, the bass output is weak. Despite the 800-watt peak and 200-watt RMS claims, the real-world performance is underwhelming. The RW10CA struggles to deliver clean, impactful bass, especially at lower frequencies. It adds a bit of punch to factory systems, but it lacks the depth and power needed for any real low-end presence. Users expecting dramatic bass improvement will likely be disappointed. Second, the built-in amplifier lacks true power. While the specs on paper look decent, the internal amp simply doesn't have the headroom to drive the sub effectively at higher volumes. Once pushed past moderate listening levels, distortion creeps in fast, and the system quickly hits its limits. It's not designed for loud, dynamic playback and feels strained under pressure. Third, long-term reliability is questionable. Several users report failure within months of use, often related to overheating, amp failure, or internal component breakdown. The compact design restricts airflow, which can lead to thermal issues during extended use. Once the unit begins to fail, performance rapidly degrades and complete shutdown isn't uncommon. Fourth, tuning options are extremely limited. The RW10CA includes basic gain, low-pass filter, and bass boost controls, but there's no subsonic filter, phase control, or more advanced tuning capabilities. This makes it difficult to integrate cleanly into a wider audio system, especially when paired with aftermarket speakers that require better control over crossover points. Fifth, the build quality doesn't inspire confidence. The enclosure is made of lightweight metal with minimal internal damping. As a result, rattles and vibration noise become noticeable over time, especially when mounted under seats in vehicles with firm suspension. The RCA and power terminals also feel loose and prone to wear, which can lead to intermittent signal loss. In conclusion, while the Rockville RW10CA is attractive for its size and price, it cuts too many corners to deliver reliable or satisfying bass. If you want true low-end performance and long-term dependability, it's worth investing in a more capable solution.